So then today topic, then kinetic theory of gases from unit 5, then thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. So question number 1, then according to kinetic theory, then gas pressure is due to, so then option B is right. So the collision of molecules with container walls. Okay, so then option B is correct. Okay, this is the one of the easiest one. The average translation kinetic energy of a gas molecules is kinetic energy in translation, so 3/2 then kT. So option C is correct. Okay, the root mean square speed of a gas molecule is proportional to, so what is the formula for root mean square velocity? Then root mean square velocity, which is equal to what is that? Then root mean square then 3 kT by m, which is root of proportional to t. So then option B is correct. Okay, the kinetic theory assumes gas molecules are in kinetic theory perfectly elastic during collision. Okay, so most important, so these are all the assumption. Okay, so one of the important assumption from kinetic theory. Okay, so the relation between pressure and kinetic energy, so option B is correct. So from the previous classes we have to discuss. Okay, so option B is correct. So here the numerical problem, then calculate the root mean square speed of oxygen gas molecule at temperature, then given mass, and R is the universal gas constant. Then we have to calculate the root mean square speed. About how to solve, then what is the formula for root mean square speed? So we have to write many times. So what is the formula? Root of then 3 or t by then m. Here R is the universal gas constant. Okay, here R value கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So then 8.314 joule mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. So here R is the universal gas constant, then T is the temperature, then 300 Kelvin, m is the molar mass, 32 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram per mole. So just we have to substitute. First we have to find out numerator. So then 3 or T is equal to, then 3 into what is the R value? R is the universal gas constant, so equal to 8.314 into what is the T value? Then 300. So we have to get then 7482.6. okay, next is then 3 or T then divided by molar mass m. But what is the value for 3 or T? Already we have to find out this one. 7482.6 divided, what is the value for molar mass? That should be a given. Then 32 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so just we have to 748.6, then we have to convert, then power convert panna, then we have to 0.032, then we have to divide, then we have to get 23283125. so then we have to take square root, then we have to take square root, that should be then root edutha, then we have to finally get answer 484 meter per second. So this is the root mean speed. Okay, so option B is correct. Okay, so just we know the formula, then everything given in that equation. So R is the universal gas constant, then T is the temperature, then M is the molar mass. So everything given in that equation. Just we know the formula, then after we have to substitute in the given formula, then we make the calculation and we have to find out the answer. Okay, so these are all the steps you have to follow. So next one, the density of gas is given and RMS speed is given. So find the pressure extracted by the gas. About what is the formula for pressure? So then P is equal to pressure 1 by 3, then given density about rho, then root mean square, which is equal to square. About what are all the given? Given, what is the density rho here? Rho, which is equal to 1.2 kilogram per meter cube, then root mean square velocity, then RMS we have to given that. Okay, then 500 meter per second. Okay, just we have to substitute. So first we have to find out this one. So then RMS, which is whole square above given in that question. Okay, so then 500 square we have to get 25000. Okay, so next we have to add density rho. So then rho RMS square. So what is the density value? 1.2. About 1.2 into 25. Just we have to multiply, then we have to get 300,000. Next we have to find out this one. So then pressure P is equal to, then we have to find out numerator value. Okay, then 1 by 3, that should be then rho V RMS, then whole square by 3. So we have to find out this value for numerator, then 300,000. Just we have to divide 3, then we have to get 100,000 Pascal. Upper we have to write then 1 into then power 0.5 upper 10 power 5. So this is the value. So what is the unit for pressure? Pascal, PA. Above which one is correct answer? So option B is right. Okay, so this is the simple calculation. Just we know the formula. Okay, so this is the pressure formula. Then before the cases we have to remember this one. Okay, so formula therinjale podum. So remaining data will be given in that equation. So then given data just substitute in that equation, then make the steps to solve, then we have to get the answer. Okay, so then question number 8, at absolute zero temperature, the kinetic energy of ideal gas molecules became zero temperature. Up answer C is correct. Okay, there is no collision at absolute zero temperature. If the temperature is increases, we have to get more collision. If there is no temperature given, we have to get 0. Okay, so option C is correct. For a fixed mass of gas, if the temperature became 4 times, if temperature became 4 times the RMS speed, so we know that RMS speed, which is root of T, above we have to get 4 times, above we have to take root of 4, then we have to get 2. Option A is correct. Okay, then twice. So then last question. So then kinetic theory successful explaining. So all the cases will kinetic theory successfully explain it. So then Brownian motion, then gas pressure, then diffusion. So all of those will be correct. So from 3, kinetic theory will successfully explain. So then upcoming classes we have to discuss everything. So what is meant by Brownian gases, then what is meant by a diffusion, then gas pressure. Okay, So then remaining topics we'll discuss in the upcoming classes. Okay, so thank you.